Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Today will be our first class of writing Haruf Tahajji. We will start from the right hand side and take broad lines copy or page. First we will write Alif Mad A. Right? First we will write Alif Mad A. Then in the same line we will write Alif. Leave one line. Now in the next line write Be. Put a dot first and then start writing Be. This is also called Be ka Khandan ya Be ki family. Be has one dot. Then comes, give a finger space. Okay, give a one finger space. Then write Pe. Pe has three dots. Again give a one finger space and write Te. Then again give a one finger space, write Te. And the last one is Se. Now the Be family has 5 members. Be, Pe, Te, Te, Se. Now we will introduce new family that is called Jeem family. Now we will write Jeem. First make a line. This is called a sleeping line, right? So straight sleeping line. Okay, then we will go down and we will make a belly of Jeem, right? And that belly goes a little beyond down the line. Put one dot and this is Jeem. Now we will write same as Che. Che. And Che has 3 dots in belly. Now we will write He. He has no dot. So move on to the next is He. He. He has 1 dot on its head. Then leave one line. Next we will write Dal ki. Dal ka Khandan. Dal family. Dal has no dot. Dal has a toy on its head. Zal. Dal has 3 family members. Dal,